We're diving deep into the Motorola Edge 40, a stylish, mid-range smartphone that promises flagship-like features without breaking the bank. Design and build. The Motorola Edge 40 is sleek, premium, and surprisingly lightweight at just 171 grams. The vegan leather back on select models feels excellent in the hand and provides great grip. It's got a curved pole display on the front with super slim bezels and an under-display fingerprint scanner. Display. The phone features a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus POLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate and HDR10 Plus support. Colors are vibrant, blacks are deep, and brightness peaks at around 1200 nits, making it great even under sunlight. Performance. The Edge 40 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8020 chipset paired with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Camera. The Edge 40 packs a 50MP main sensor with WAH and a 13MP ultra-wide camera that also doubles as a macro lens. Daylight shots come out crisp and colorful with good dynamic range. The ultra-wide is decent but struggles in low light. Night photography gets a boost thanks to WAH, but don't expect flagship-level performance. Battery life. The Motorola Edge 40 features a 4400 mAh battery, which may sound modest, but thanks to software optimization and the efficient chipset, it easily lasts a full day. Overall, if you're after a stylish, performance-driven mid-ranger with a great display and clean software, this one definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Thank you.